All right, thank you, Pratibha, for taking us through the headlines. Viewers, you're watching Times Now. I'm Meenakshi Upreti. Our top focus remains the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack. Remember, it's been a week since the carnage and the suddenness of the attack continues to send ripples as new videos are now emerging of the moment of impact. Imagine being on a thrilling zipline ride one moment and narrowly escaping a terror attack and death the next. That's exactly what happened to Rishi Bhatt in Pahalgam. An unsuspecting adventure enthusiast, all he expected from this ride was some thrill and some memories which he could capture, he hoped, for a lifetime. He did manage to chronicle the moment, but little did he know about the carnage that his selfie camera would end up capturing inadvertently. The moment when the terror struck the Baisaran meadows.
Allahu Akbar, 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 Allahu Akbar.
And Times Now also spoke to Rishi Bhatt, who believes the zipline ride saved his life as terrorists targeted tourists in the meadows. What's haunting him, though, is the zipline operator's words. You can hear him say Allahu Akbar multiple times amidst the gunfire in the background. Now, just before he sends Rishi forth on the zipline.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. पैर लंबा करो अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर बैठो पैर लंबा करो
जब मैं जिप लाइन कर रहा था तब वो 3 बार अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर अल्लाहु अकबर बोला और फिर फायरिंग हुई थी और हमारे आगे जो लोग गए हैं 9 लोग तब वो कुछ बोला नहीं था। उसने जिप लाइन करवाई तब कुछ नहीं बोला था। इवन मेरा लड़का और मेरी वाइफ भी जिप लाइन की तब भी वो कुछ नहीं बोला था। मैंने जब जिप लाइन की तब वो बोला था 3 बार और फिर तुरंत फायरिंग स्टार्ट हो गई थी। देखो उसको शायद पहले से मालूम होगा तभी वो ऑन द स्पॉट मूवमेंट पे वो चीज बोल रहा है। मुझे ऐसा डाउट लग रहा है, मैं श्योर नहीं बता सकता, बट जब वो बोला उसके बाद ही फायरिंग हुई और दूसरी चीज आगे 9 लोगों को स्लाइड करवाई तो तब वो अल्लाहू अकबर क्यों नहीं बोल रहा था। पर दूसरी चीज हमने देखी कि जब नीचे गए तो ऑलरेडी नीचे वाला जिप लाइन वाला भी पहले भाग गया था। मेरी वाइफ और लड़का वहां पे पहुंच गया था तो उनके सामने ही वो भाग गया। ऊपर वाले भी सब बंदे वहां से गायब हो गए थे और लोकल पब्लिक भी वहां से भाग गई थी। जो 2 फैमिली नीचे गई थी ऑलरेडी उन लोगों को उनका रिलीजन पूछ के मेरे वाइफ के सामने 6 फुट के डिस्टेंस पे उन लोगों ने गोलियां मार दी थी। आपका रिलीजन पूछा और सीधा गोली मार दी। ऐसा मेरे आगे 2 फैमिली गई, वो दोनों फैमिली के साथ वही चीज हुई। मेरी वाइफ और मेरा लड़का वहां पे नीचे खड़े थे और मैं जिप लाइन में था तो शायद मैं बच गया। अगर मैं भी नीचे पहुंच गया होता तो वो लोग मेरे को भी गोली मार सकते थे।
All right, we heard what obviously the tourists had to say. Now, the zipline operator in question, he's been identified. He's been identified as one Muzmail Ahmed, a resident of Pahalgam. He's currently being questioned by the NIA team in Pahalgam.
The National Investigating Agency, which is probing Pahalgam terror attack, has started questioning a zipline operator after a video was posted on social media platform by a tourist who is from Gujarat. The video shows initial moments of the attack, wherein this zipline operator started chanting Allahu Akbar. The movement firing started in Baisaran Valley of Pahalgam and then releases the tourists on the zipline for a ride. The National Investigating Agency, which has taken over this case for investigation, has summoned this zipline operator who has been identified as Muzammil. He is resident of Pahalgam. He has been questioned and is currently in custody of National Investigating Agency. This video, which was posted by the tourist from Gujarat, shows the initial moment of this terror attack. The firing starts, zipline operator chants Allahu Akbar and then proceeds, releases the tourists on zipline line, tourist on zip line who is unaware of the circumstances. The whole scene is in fact recorded by the tourist, and he has alleged that this zip line operator had in fact some sort of clue about the terror attack. Now this is part of investigation, and the zip line operator is currently being questioned. He is in custody of NIA.